Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Ooh, just the two of us. Just.
Somebody say good morning, Mom.
Okay. Oh, scratch your hair with something. Good morning. Hey, let's do this half. Look at you, Mira. Get this side right here, Mira. And she scrape the bottom, get the bottom. Be careful though.
That's why you don't let old people mess with you when you're cooking.
Okay.
Come on, you gotta put a weight on them.
Who do you think you are?
I was right there.
Put cinnamon in.
That boy crazy.
You're about to eat our waffles.
Oh, okay.
With that hose. You can wear that bread. Alright, we gotta do this pretty.
There's not, you would spend so much money on your water bill trying to water that grass. Oh, boy. You trying to make it? Same thing, Dad. Man, it's hot as.
I did that all wrong.
Yeah.
Alexa. Mashed potatoes. Yeah. Want you to love. Nia. Nobody but you, man.
Sing it, Mom.
You ever heard this song, Dad? Alexa, play T.I. featuring Chris Brown.
Private show featuring Chris Brown. Radio from Spotify.
Alexa, play Private Show.
Private show featuring Chris Brown. Radio from Spotify.
Say what you mean. You won't break my soul. I'm telling everybody.
Come on, they got a two-seater. Two people can sit in on the time.
I keep climbing around.
I don't mess with computers like that.
And after the show.
So much beauty talk. Last increment of milk. Then maybe we should start dropping that cheese.
Misha, did you clean the cast iron skillet or did I clean the cast iron skillet?
Butter and about 3 tablespoons of oil. So that's 6 tablespoons of fat. Either the same amount of butter or oil that you put this. Same.
Where did that shredder down here? Not really. I had to go find that one. There's one right there. You gotta hurry up. I need it.
All right.
Oh, you didn't mix it with the water yet.
No.
I've been messing up the
You
whole
gotta cook
time.
your flour.
I've been screwing up the whole time. And you let it get dark if you want it dark.
Dark as you want it.
This is rude. I know I'm really foggy.
There's two ways you can do it now.
I used to mix my flour and water in a separate cup and then pour it in.
Yeah, that's another way to do it, but you gotta have flavor in there when you do that.
Oh,
This is a roux gravy. You even use chicken base broth and all that stuff.
I've never
So
used that.
if that's the case, you just want to taste it. Just give it a little taste. Wow, that's amazing. Wow.
That's like stuffing.
I used the little one here, but I should have tasted it first. I've never used it.
I'm gonna wait to put that in. That don't have to cook. That's right. That's ready right here.
That's just a cheap little bouillon.
That's what I use.
Roasted
Or,
chicken base.
You know, I got the jar with the powder.
That's what I just had. I just threw the rest of it out of the way. I just
So you don't even need to season nothing. That got all the seasonings you need in there, right?
Well, I'm gonna put a little pepper in. This is the way you make gravy. I'm just adding this for color and sweetness.
You know, so.
Because I already got chicken pre-cooked.
You know you didn't use 4 pounds of cheese, right?
And I'm testing it, so because I might not need that much.
With that chicken base.
You can get boiling water out the curry, but it might taste like coffee.
After what?
Out the coffee.
What? What are you talking about? Just say it.
What do you
He
do?
did it today. You did what?
You did it, say it.
This is something you do in increments too.
I watched the video.
Did that spill?
You want the metal one?
Nah,
Wow.
I'm almost done here.
You don't like rubber spoons, huh?
That water is so hot. It's hot you can't even hold the glass.
When the tank is real hot, they got an indication.
Pepper in there, and what else?
You got the main thing.
Yeah, that's
It's the
it.
roux. The rest is seasoned to taste.
Okay. So you're putting a chicken bouillon cube when you put some pepper so
And
far.
I put another teaspoon of rather than bouillon, so that would be 4 teaspoons altogether. Somewhere around there, 3 or 4.
Oh, you put your whole cube in.
Yeah.
I usually just crunch it up between my fingers and sprinkle it in.
I don't know. Just take your spatula like that. And that'll break the whole thing down. You see it broke down?
Yeah.
Gravy master or something to darken it up. But for chicken, this is good. And if it was beef, then you would use some of the beef drippings and make your gravy even darker. This is a homemade chicken gravy.
Where's your spoon that you used to taste?
I ate some already. Alright, turn the lid off.
Mom, you want some fried shrimp?
Lisa, you can put that cheese. You can finish. What happened to the sample?
The little one.
Trying to pull the 52 fake out.
And Godzilla's a girl.
All right, so first of all, give this video a fat thumbs up and leave me a comment down below because y'all know this food look bomb. I'm going to post the other finished plate right after this picture, so take a look right here. Bomb.com. Y'all know y'all want to bite. All right, so here's the thing. Make sure y'all subscribe to my dad's channel. Also subscribe to my channel. Check out our Facebook pages. Follow our Facebook pages. Also, go ahead and join my dad's cooking group. All the information is posted in the description box down below and throughout this video. So if you watch the whole video, you know where to find them at. All right. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. If you want more, don't forget to thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. And I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.